Creating eye-catching marketing materials from scratch can take hours, especially if you don't have professional design skills. But with Vengage's AI flyer generator, you can turn a single text prompt into a stunning promotional flyer in just minutes. This tool gives content creators and business teams the creative confidence to skip basic manual formatting and focus entirely on boosting audience engagement. Let me show you exactly how this works. Vengage have launched their free AI flyer generator, and this lets you go from a raw idea or a single text prompt to a highly professional, visually striking flyer layout in seconds. So this really solves the problem of blank page paralysis for marketers and content creators. Let me show you an example of how this works. Today, we've entered our prompts that will basically describe our entire flyer. We've got create a modern promotional flyer for an event called Glow and Grow, Women's Business Summit 2026. The theme is to empower female entrepreneurs and business leaders. We've then added a few parameters, such as the date, time, and venue, along with a few more bullet points. Provided some information about the event, such as guest speakers, networking opportunities, panel discussions, light refreshments provided, and so on. At the bottom, we've added a call to action, and we've also included the design style here as well. So that's elegant, professional, and inspiring with modern typography. Subtle gold accents and high-quality images of diverse professional women. Now, once we're happy with this, all we need to do is click Generate, and the AI gets to work. We can see it designing this for us in real time. So we've got the AI designer on the left-hand side and the actual design here on the right. So we've gone from a text prompt to a very clean, complete flyer layout in a matter of seconds. Now, with this, you've got complete freedom to customize your flyer directly within the app. The editor allows you to rewrite copy, swap icons, and generate custom images without leaving your workflow. Now, while the AI has massively sped up the layout and the whole process, this tool actually leaves room for deeper customization to keep designs original. Here we've gone ahead and actually selected some of the copy, and we can choose whether to shorten it, or we can say, for example, make this event description more exciting and persuasive while maintaining a professional tone. We can see it's done that for us instantly. Next, we can select some of the images and click Modify. And with this, we really can edit any part of this flyer. Unlike other AIs, this isn't just going to be a static image that we'll have to regenerate. We can pick any element on this page and change the font, change the images, and even alter the layout. Here we can see there's an icons section on the left, and we can go ahead and choose any of these icons, or even search for something specific that we're after. So let's go with networking. And here we've got a load of networking icons that we can then drag and drop into our flyer. We can also generate icons as well, so we can choose the style here and then simply describe what we want. So we've said generate a clean modern icon representing women's leadership, networking and business growth. The icon should feature, and then we've continued to describe it. Now, once we've got the full description sorted, what we can do is hit generate. Here we can see it's created that icon for us. And this looks fantastic. So we can pick one of these and instantly add it to our flyer. After a bit of experimenting, I think this looks great. But if we wanted to change, say, the background color, that's really easy to do as well. We just select the background and we can change the whole color or style of the pamphlet. Let's say we want to change the orange color. Well, we can just pick a different one here and that will show up on the flyer. We just make sure everything looks right, and as you can see, that looks so much better than before, and it only took a couple of clicks. Now, when it comes to accessibility, this is where things get interesting, because you can make sure your promotional materials are inclusive and WCAG compliant with an AI-powered accessibility checker, contrast checker, and alt text support features. This is a crucial professional standard for tech teams and marketers exporting official collateral. Here we've got some text, and we can basically generate alternative text in just a couple of clicks. And all we need to do is go through this whole list, and then we'll have a fully compliant flyer. And as you can see, I've saved a bit of time here, but yes, all issues are now resolved. So now we've got a fully compliant flyer. All we need to do now is export or share it. First, let's have a preview. Yes, this looks fantastic. And if we want to download it, we simply go to the top right, and we can choose from PNG, PDF, PowerPoint, or even email HTML. Once we're happy, we press download and it'll be sent to our downloads folder. If you register for a free account, this unlocks unlimited access to over 100 AI design tools and generators, with new marketing assets added to the library every week. I definitely recommend going ahead and exploring the flyers to make the most of your workflow automation tools. Transform your design in minutes with Vengage's AI tools. Click the link in the description to try the tool and create your first flyer for free. And make sure to use the code 50OFF now to get 50% off your annual plan for Vengage Premium or Business. That's all from me. I'll see you all in the next DK.